Hey everybody, well, I just got a delivery from that just came at the door. I was going to do a video earlier today, but the package just arrived, and it's a digital pH meter. So you want to make sure that you have your pH right for your tomatoes. It's 6.2, 6.8, 6.2 to 6.8, even 6.0 is good. So I'm going to calibrate this meter here. It is right here. It didn't cost that much. I think this one costs around $7 on Amazon. Digital pH meter. And this is one of the less expensive ones. You can get one that costs a whole lot more money. Got a lot of great reviews, but this is the second one that I ordered. I ordered one about 2 days ago, and I had to send it back because the battery was dead. So I got this one in, and I adjust the battery, and it just came right up. So it's easy to operate. Now I remember when my mom had a garden when I was in my teenage years. She had huge tomatoes, and the vegetable garden was just beautiful. And I can't recall her checking the pH, but we had great soil. So I was raised up in Michigan. But she had great soil, but it's good to go out and get you a meter so you can test the pH of your water. It's very important. Make sure you have great success in your harvest. So I'm gonna go and run through a quick calibration of this meter here, and so follow along with me, and I'm going right back to get that done right now. Okay, what you want to do is take the cover off, and you want to use distilled water only. So to calibrate this meter, you want to use distilled water. And I have another container here, that over there. See that? It's another container there. So use this distilled water, and you just dip this in distilled water. You turn it on. Okay, it's on. And what you do, you're going to dip this in the pH 6.86 for 30 seconds. No, for 5 seconds. And then you're going to calibrate it. You're going to dip this in here, up to this level here. Dip it in. 5 seconds. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. 6.86. So that's good. You got 6.86, and you dip it in distilled water, not the same. You should have another cup to just wipe it off. I'll be right back. Okay, and you get your towel and you wipe it down. Okay, and then you dip it in the 4.0. You should have, I meant to say you should have 250 mils in this cup, 250 in this one, and 250 in your third cup, 250 milliliters. It's just a little over a cup of water. So that was good there. So you're gonna, okay. Okay. Okay, you see you got 4.00. So you should get 4.00 in the second cup. So that's great. So what you do is you dip it in distilled water in your the cup that you cleanse it with. Wipe it off. It's fairly easy. Okay, that's wonderful. And dip it in the pH 9.18 cup. Okay. Get that a little. Okay, you got your 9.18 there. I don't know if you can see that on camera. 9.18, it should flash. 9.18, so we got it. So you got it calibrated. Cleanse it off again. Fairly easy. And put the cover back on. You're good to go. So when you water your tomatoes, you want to make sure you make sure you got the 6.0 through 6.8. I would say 6.2 is good. Anything in that area is great for tomatoes. So anyway, just use this and you should have great success. We should have great success if we use the meter and make sure that we have the correct pH. Because some of the water you may know have too. Okay, everyone, that was exciting. So I hope that we all learned something on how to calibrate the meter, the pH meter. Like I said, you can get you a more expensive one. They have some great reviews on this one on Amazon. This one only costs about $7. But as you advance more, you may want to get a more expensive one. But most people said this one was pretty good for what I wanted to do. Well, we probably get one that costs a little more money in the future. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.